Today, 748 Air Services has grown to be a reputable, reliable, and safe airline in the provision of humanitarian air services with a portfolio of 16 aircrafts comprised of different types, each with its own particular specifications, characteristics, and applications. Over 200 staff from diverse nationalities, cultures, religions, educational backgrounds and experiences, each bringing a unique perspective to meet contemporary challenges in the aviation industry. Operational bases across Africa, catering to the humanitarian aviation needs. This strategic growth is attributed to 1. Our strong belief in our core values, which are quality and safety, environmental sustainability, teamwork, client success. 2. Our ability to adapt to meet new and rapidly evolving obstacles to our operations and provide innovative solutions. 3. Our ability to leverage technology to enhance our safety standards. 4. Our capability to not only meet but surpass our clients' expectations in the provision of our services. 5. Our "we go above and beyond" attitude instilled in all areas of operations. 6. Our commitment to reduce our carbon footprint and safeguard our natural environment. 7. Our unwavering dedication to making a difference through impactful corporate social responsibility (CSR) initiatives. As we continue to move forward, our commitment to safety, reliability, environmental sustainability, innovation, and client satisfaction will remain at the forefront of our operations. We endeavor to be a strong player in the provision of humanitarian air services in line with our mission of connecting humanity with every flight by working with our partners in support of peace and eradication of hunger in Africa. 748 Air Services. We go above and beyond.